Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to load the kayak on the car top. There are different kinds of roof rack system. What I have here is a Yakima ShowBoat. This rack system, I added 2 PVC pipes to stabilize the kayak when I load it on the top. And this is the system where you can extend the tail end. You can extend this part out, and so your kayak, when you load the kayak, you will not touch the car. There are different kinds of roof rack system, where one of them is you can put on top of this part and you can push the kayak up, but I did not go that route because I think that's still touching the car. Anyway, so besides the roof rack system, you will need some straps. I don't use this ratchet kind because they are too strong. They will put too much pressure on the kayak, so don't use this kind. And for tying down the kayak, you can tie this in the front of the kayak and also in the back to the car. And for the kayak itself, I use this kayak strap to tie down the body on the rack. And this strap setup is like this. So first I have a loop, made a loop, and go through this pulley system, self-locking pulley, and this is I put a loop here. I will show you how to tie this later. So let's get going. To load the kayak, first we need to extend this part out, and to do that, first unlock the latches here, and there are 2, one on each side. Here's another one, and once you unlock both, you can pull it out just like this, and then remember to lock it back on. Okay. Now I will lift up one side of the kayak to this extended part, and then push the other side up. Here's how I do it. Once the kayak is up, we need to put this extended part back in. Do the reverse, unlock the latch first, and then push it in. And this part rolls, so it makes it easy to load the kayak. Remember to lock both latches back. If you don't do that, you'll lose it when you drive. Okay, now the kayak's on top. Next is just to strap the kayak down to the roof rack. So to strap down the kayak, first remember this loop. This is Outback, so if you don't have the roof rack like this, you have to tie it somewhere in the front, tow hook or somewhere. But this is Outback, make it handy. Here, tie the loop through this and put the whole set through the loop. So this will stay like this. And then we have a carabiner. Oh, I should use the door step as the step here. Go top and go to this tie down hook and go to the other end and do the same thing for the other one. All right, go to the other side. Okay, take this part. Now, remember this hook, this loop. So tie this loop through this. Okay, like this, and then hook it through the pulley, and now it's loose, right? So you pull it tight. Okay, and let's strap down the end, and then in the end we will make it tighter. Sorry for the wind noise. So we go back, go to the top. Look this through the pad eye. Make sure it's tight. And again, to loosen this, just press this down and pull. You'll become loose. And tie down this strap to the roof rack. If you don't have this, you have to tie down to the tow hook, lock it, and pull. And you can tie the excess through the loop again to somewhere like this. Oh, it's too tight. Anyway, that's it. And then to secure the whole kayak, use this kayak strap. To demonstrate, I just use one of them, but usually if I am driving on the highway, I will put two of those. So loop through this and throw the other end to the other side. And you can either step on the tire if you want to get higher, or just step on the door. Some people like to twist the strap. They say that can reduce the wind noise or vibration. I don't feel that necessary, but sometimes I do that, sometimes I just ignore it. Okay, tie it down, make it tight, and put the excess. Just throw it securely somewhere. Okay. And just put away the excess. Okay, that's it. So this is how it looks like when it's done. Again, if I'm driving on the highway, I'll put another one in the back. So two straps on the body, one tie down in the front, one tie down in the back. That should be secure enough. So hopefully this helps. If you have questions, leave comments down below. All right, let's go fishing.